Hey guys, my name is Paul. This is my, intro video to YouTube. Just want to share my passion for Mustangs with you guys. I've been playing with Mustangs for about 30 years now. I've had lots of Mustangs. I don't know, I've kind of lost count to be honest, but I got two Mustangs right now. 04 Torch Red Terminator Cobra, great little car. I really love this car. You know, usual bolt-ons, makes about 500 at the rear wheel. Does a lot of good things and a great family cruiser. I got a 91 strip coupe, kind of race coupe. You know, I was building it more track purpose. Car was finished. I was hoping to get to the track, but the motor's hurt. So motor just got plucked out a couple days ago and needs to be rebuilt. But I was hoping to make some good power. 4.6, it was a 4.6 mod motor, TH400, Team Z, 9-inch outlaw, mini tub car, 15-12 wall wheels, chutes ready, everything's ready to go. I just need the motor back in. So it's gonna get rebuilt over the fall and winter, and hopefully everything will, line up perfectly. Drop it in the spring and have some fun with it. So I'm gonna document everything as I go. I still have some stuff to finish, interior, some moldings with the fender and the hood back on. It's a turbo car. I should have mentioned it's a turbo car, so hence the fenders and the nose and whatnot being off. So yeah, that's about it. I'm gonna document it. Hope you guys follow along, send me a subscribe, and we'll see you shortly.